Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Jesse and I'm an employment specialist. Today we are going to go over a prompt for how you can take just a list of jobs or education and turn it into a beautiful resume using ChatGPT. Let's get started. So here's the prompt we're going to be working with today. We are going to start off with a persona. We're going to ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a resume writer. And our job seeker is looking for a personal support worker role in a long-term care facility. We've asked it to take the list of jobs, and we're going to turn it into a resume. We're asking for the bullet points that it's going to create to be no less than 15 words, but no more than 30. And we've given it two examples here. Accomplish X by the measure of Y, resulting in Z, or outcome Y by Z. And then here is the content provided by our client. So this is the list of jobs and education that they've got. And down here is our resume template. So this is what we want it to appear in ultimately. So let's get started with that. And here we are on ChatGPT, and we've just copied and pasted in our prompt, and here we go. And it's already started writing, and it's got some pretty good stuff on here. So 3 years experience providing senior care support, talks a little bit about the education, compassionate about senior support, talks a little bit about WMIS and so forth, and then goes into the various roles. Provided essential support for well-being, it should be activities of daily living, but that's fine, it's a good starting point. And then down here are the certifications. So not bad for a first run. Now, ultimately, what I would do afterwards is sit down with the client and go through this resume and see exactly which tasks they've performed before in the past. I would also add to that, I noticed that there's no mention of IPAC, which is really important for infection control. There's no mention of Hoyer's lifts, which is one of the essential parts of being a PSW. So it's not perfect by any stretch, but it gives us a really good starting point, especially when someone doesn't have a resume to begin with. All right, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about job search, feel free to send them my way, and we'll catch you next time.